Hey Owls, I'm Brittany Flowers with your weekly FAU Today update. Students, Weeks of Welcome is not over, and on September 2nd from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. you can participate in yet another event. On Wednesday, there will be a virtual internship and part-time job fair. You will have the opportunity to interact with organizations that are hiring for internships and part-time jobs. Click the link in the post for more information. The shift to virtual classes may bring uneasy feelings, but the Office of Success and the First and Proud Student Organization has conducted a workshop to help you thrive in an online academic environment. Join them on September 2nd at 4:30 p.m. to receive tips and resources you can utilize to get through the semester. Head over to their Instagram at FAU First Gen for event details. FAU, let's get creative. There will be a DIY live tie-dye session on September 5th from 12 o'clock p.m. to 12:30 p.m. If you would like to participate, visit fau.bsg on Instagram. Don't forget, you can stay up to date with all things FAU by connecting with us on social.